the key elements of customer-driven marketing strategy, third learning objective of this chapter 1. And we have studied the target market and value proposition is important question that you must ask yourself. So what is value proposition then? Value proposition. Proposition comes from the word propose. You propose something to your counterpart, to your customer. So value proposition is that, okay, I promise that I'm going to deliver this benefit to you to satisfy your needs. That's value proposition. So think about the example. BMW. What do you think BMW promised to deliver? One, two, three. Yes. BMW's value proposition is that ultimate driving machine. What can you infer from it? Yes, right. If you drive this BMW, you will experience best driving experiences, ultimate driving machine. How about New Balance, the famous footgear brand? New Balance minimalist shoes are like barefoot, only better. Is their value proposition, which means that what it can infer from this value proposition is that, okay, if you wear these sneakers, you will be like barefoot, 맨발 같다, right? That's value proposition. How about the Facebook? Facebook says Facebook helps you connect and share with the people in your life. How about the YouTube? YouTube's value proposition is this: provides a place for people to connect, inform, and inspire others across the globe. Do you think they do? Yes, I think. They provide a place for people to connect, inform, to teach, right? Inspire. They share something interesting, funny, inspire others across the globe. That's value proposition. So the company must decide how they will serve targeted consumers. In other words, how we are differentiate ourselves, position ourselves in the marketplace. Value propositions differentiate one brand from another. So they answer the customer's question, why should I buy your brand rather than a competitor's? Companies must design strong value propositions that give them the greatest advantage in their target market. So remember that the question you must answer as a marketer is, why should I buy your brand rather than a competitor's? Let us think about the example. As I show the following example, make a pause button for this internet lecture and think about searching the value proposition of the following example. After you do exercise on your own, as you come back to offline class, share your finding, your guess with your counterpart. Okay? The first example is 엽기 떡볶이, crazily spiced 떡볶이. What do you think their value proposition? In other words, what are the benefits the 엽기 떡볶이 delivers to satisfy consumers' needs? In other words, why do you think the target consumers choose 엽기 떡볶이 over the competitive option? Second example, drive-through store. Here I show the Starbucks drive-through store. Why do you think consumers choose to go to drive-through store of Starbucks? What are the value proposition of this drive-through store? Last example, Subway. Do you like sandwich? I think many college students love to eat Subway sandwich store for many reasons. So think about the value proposition of these three examples. Make a pause here and think about that. You may Google it, you may searching the information and write down the value proposition of each example. When you meet in the class, share your findings. Now, I'd like to introduce 5 alternative concepts that organizations design and carry out their marketing strategies. So you may consider this as historical change of how does company run their marketing strategies, but still coexisting. It's from production, product, selling, marketing, and societal marketing concepts. Marketing management wants to design strategies that will build profitable relationship with their target consumers. Production concept, though, is that consumers will favor products that are available and highly affordable. So managers believe that, okay, consumers will favor products that's available and highly affordable. This production concept is still a useful philosophy in some situations. For example, in highly competitive, price-sensitive Chinese market, personal computer maker like Lenovo has been succeed well using the low labor cost, high production efficiency, and mass distribution. They believe that if we can make some products affordable and quickly available in the market, consumers will be valuing our products. However, as I mentioned before, this production concept can lead to marketing myopia and losing sight of the real objectives. What is real objective of marketing? Yes, satisfying customer needs and building customer relationships. So you are not fully satisfied customer needs under the production concept. Product concept sounds similar to production concept, but a little different. Production concept focusing on availability, affordability, but the product concept believes that consumers favor products that offer the most quality, performance, and features. So the focus of this product concept philosophy is on continuous product improvement. Okay, I will produce the best quality product. Then consumers will buy it. Then consumers will favor on my brand. Product quality and improvement are important parts of most marketing strategies. However, focusing only on the company's products can also lead to marketing myopia. For example, I share the idea of the mousetrap box, right? Some manufacturer believes that if they can build a better mousetrap, the mousetrap box that I explained before, the world will choose me. Yes? Mousetrap box was a lot better than just traditional mousetrap, but still it was not succeed in the market. It was not appeal to the target market. So buyers may be looking for a better solution for to a mouse problem, but not necessarily for a better mousetrap. Okay? So better solution to a mouse problem, but not necessarily for a better mousetrap. A different one, right? The better solution might be what? A chemical spray on exterminating service or house cat or something else that suits their needs even better than a mousetrap, right? So you have to get rid of your eyes of your best product. Later, consider the problems of consumers facing, their needs, opportunity, and how you can serve them by your product. That's what you should think. Selling concept. Selling concepts, under the selling concepts, company believes that consumers will not buy enough of the firm's product unless the firm's undertaking a large-scale promotional effort. This selling concept usually practiced with unsold good. Unsold good? Let me write it down one more time. Yes, unsold goods means that not searched by. Yes, those that buyers do not normally think of buying. What would be the example of unsold good? You are not searching to buy it unless you get the prompt of sellers. What would be the example of it? You don't consider to buy it. Life insurance, blood donations. These are the typical example of unsold good. So These industries of life insurance or blood donation, they must be tracking down prospect potential consumer and selling them on a product's benefit. Okay, this is a good thing. You should do it. So such aggressive selling carries high risk though, right? It focuses on creating sales transaction rather than on building long-term profitable customer relationships. You must be careful those. That's selling concept. So you do not think that you will die in soon. So life insurance companies must focusing on delivering the benefit, why you have to buy insurance, why you have to do blood donation, what are the benefits of doing it. That's the selling concept situation. However, it has a risk, as I mentioned it before. Marketing concept. Marketing concepts knows the needs and wants of target market and deliver the desired satisfaction better than competitors. That's marketing concepts. So under the marketing concepts, customer focus and values are the real path to sales and profits. So instead of product-centered make and sell philosophy, this marketing concept is a customer-centered sense and respond philosophy. It's okay, we sense your needs and respond to your needs by it. So the job is not to find the right customers for your product, but to find the right products for your customer. That's a marketing concept. What do you think? Is that an answer? Yes, it's very good. However, in this era, the marketing is moving to next generation, which is called as societal marketing concept. Let me show the next slide. 1.3 contrasts the selling concept and the marketing concepts. The selling concept takes an inside-out perspective. It starts with the factory, focuses on the company's existing product, and then they do heavy selling and promotion to obtain profitable sales. It focuses primarily on customer conquest. Okay, getting short-term sales with little concern about who buys and why. In contrast, though, the marketing concept takes an outside-in perspective. So we don't have marketing department, we have a customer department, which is said by Hov Kellner, the colorful founder of Southwest Airlines. So they focusing on customer, 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 customer. Customer is the center of the marketing. That's the marketing concept. So marketing concept starts with a well-defined market, focuses on customer needs, and integrates all the marketing activities that affect customers. As a result of that, you got lots of profit by creating relationship with the right customers based on customer value and satisfaction. Lastly, I have mentioned that marketing is moving toward to the societal marketing concept. This societal marketing concept has three components that you consider: society, consumers, and company. In the first generation of marketing, company only focusing on how to generate profit, company oriented. It moving toward to second generation marketing, they start to consider about consumers' needs, want satisfaction, so company and consumer. Now, third generation of marketing, now they think about society. What are the human welfare? How the consumers will be beneficiary of using this product in the long term. How about our gloves, environmental issues, or our future generation, etc. Like, if you do gambling a lot, what will happen to your future life? If you do smoking a lot, what will happen to your future life? If we purchasing a lot of gasoline car, what will happen to our next generation or environmental issues? That's societal marketing concept concerns. So whether the pure marketing concept overlooks possible conflicts between consumer short-run wants and consumer long-run welfare. Is a firm that satisfies the immediate needs and wants of target markets, always doing what's best for its consumers in the longer term? So the societal marketing concept holds that marketing strategy should deliver value to customers in a way that maintains or improves both the consumers and society's well-being. It calls for sustainable marketing, socially and environmentally responsible marketing that meets the present needs of consumers and businesses, while we preserve and enhance the ability of future generations to meet their needs. So, many leading companies or marketing thinkers now pushing the concept of shared value. Have you heard about that CSV and CSR, right? Co-shared value, company responsible marketing, right? CSR, CSV is now a big trend of marketing. So when you set the marketing strategy, company profit, customer wants, and society interest has been considered. Give you another discussion question. What companies can you identify with social marketing? What do these companies do that ties to the social marketing concept? Can you identify any company or brand that do social marketing as you learn these concepts? What do you think they do to tie to the social marketing concepts? Think about it, research on it, and when you get back to the offline class, let's discuss the example of it. Thank you.